Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. In the last episode, I talked about my new vertical wall for the squash, the beans, and the peas. So excited. All that said, I've got a little anxiety. I can't help it, my little mind goes, what can go wrong? So I'm gonna go over a couple of things that might happen. We hope it doesn't, we just want that green wall bearing fruit, but lumber is really expensive. So I took just some scrap lumber that I had and I built that wall. It's not green treated, it's just some old 2x4s. I don't know how strong they're gonna be by the end of summer. Squash is gonna have a lot of weight on it, and the other fruit too, assuming the deer don't get it. And it could crash down. It could tear away from the raised garden and fall against the lawn. That would be tragic, but it could happen. It could also just fall down vertically. That would be tragic too. Don't know what's gonna happen. I have very high hopes, but these are my concerns. That's it for this episode. Again, real quick, we're just watching it. Hopefully by the time we see this, there'll be a lot of fruit on it. I can't wait to show you. That's it. Hope you have a great afternoon. Thank you for watching. Bye now.